everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can post an Instagram story. So in order to do this, of course you need to open the Instagram app. Then in order to post an Instagram story, you will have two methods to do this. The first one is simply clicking here on your story. Then you need to enable photo access. If you don't have that enabled already, simply click on continue and click on allow access to all photos. Now you can choose a photo or video you want to add to your Instagram story. For example, I want to add this photo. I simply click on this. Then I go here on this arrow icon and I simply click on share. Then you can click on done, or you can share the story to anyone. And if I now go to my story right here, we can see that my story is now posted. However, there's another way to post an Instagram story, and that is going here at the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. And then you can also go to story, click on continue again, click on OK, click on OK. And now you can actually post a story as well, but you can add a lot of effects and all those kind of things, but it works in the same way. Now I will post this, and it's the same method. I can add some photos, videos, stickers, music even. And then you simply click on the arrow icon again, click on share, click on done, and now we can see that the story is posted again. So that's how you can post a story on Instagram. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.